This is my fairly unique doorbell, built in the early 70s and recently rediscovered in the shed. Built in a fairly standard grey box, typical of the era. Let's have a look inside and see how it works. It's the main circuit board along the bottom. We also have the mains transformer, the rectifier and smoothing components, amplifier, and obviously the loudspeaker for the output. The main circuit board consists of 3 astable multivibrators. The central one, with these 2 transistors here, is running at an audio frequency. The mark space ratio, which is controlled by the other 2 oscillators, one controlling the mark, one controlling the space. These all 3 are completely independent from each other and therefore produce this very unique sound. So let's see it go. This very sophisticated push button switch. I think you'll agree that's fairly unique.